Hey there! If you've clicked on this video, chances are you're thinking about getting a new car. Very exciting. You definitely chose the right video. What I'm going to be talking about today is car financing. More specifically, the secrets to the mysterious world of car financing. When you're getting a new car, you want to get the best deal possible. When someone is selling you a car, they want you to take the deal that gets them paid the most. This means that the salesperson is only going to tell you what they want you to know, not what you need to know so you can make the best decisions. I'm going to let you in on the secrets and tips they don't want you to know. When you're working out your payment terms and getting your rates set with the salesman, the interest rate you were given by the dealership will almost never be what was truly offered. As I mentioned, salespeople want to get paid, so they'll usually add on about 5 to 6% to the interest rate they were given. Do some research and figure out what you should be paying. Don't just assume they're giving you the best deal. Next up is another thing you should know when you're going through the process to sign for your new car. When your dealer checks your financing, they hit numerous different financing companies to see various options. And because of this, your credit is going to get checked multiple times, which means you'll very possibly have 10 plus inquiries show up on your credit report. Don't be surprised if your credit goes down a little bit when these show up. Now, we're going to talk a little bit about the vehicles that are being sold. There are a couple little things to know that could save you money. First off, where your car is coming from matters. If you're working with a salesperson who finds you a match at another local dealership, go straight to the car. If you make a deal for a car from another dealership, you're probably going to pay extra fees that are completely unnecessary. The same thing goes for cars that come from the factory. It should not cost more money if the car you purchase is ordered from the dealership. Lastly, dealerships will offer you various services to fix up or improve your new car. Watch out though. Dealerships love to upsell services, and they can get pushy about it. Remember this the next time they're pushing you around to get the best sound system and all the accessories. It's better to pay less elsewhere for the same thing. Here's some info about credit scores and car payments. If your credit score is under 680 when you start your loan, you're going to be paying penalized APR. Penalized APR is no fun, so if you can get over a 680, you'll be in a much better spot. With a credit score of 700 or above and a previous positive auto loan, you will likely get into the best financing category. Optimize your credit score and it will make a substantial difference. As to how car financing works, here's a little tip. If you finance a $20,000 car and 2 years later you want to finance a car for $100,000, you're going to get turned down or an extremely high interest rate. Avoid making big jumps in your loan amounts. It's better to gradually increase them over time. Here are another 2 little tips on how to pay off your auto loan. There are 2 strategies, apart from paying it on time as agreed, which is always the best. In the first strategy, you make additional payments in the first year to reduce your loan payments down the road. With this strategy, you need to make sure and ask if you were penalized for early payoff. If there is an early payoff fee, the strategy may not be for you. It wouldn't exactly make sense to pay more to pay more. The second strategy is paying off your car loan in under a year. This would be great, of course, in terms of avoiding long-term interest and your payments would be over very quickly, but there is a downside to this strategy. Paying it off so quickly could potentially cause your credit to be damaged as the bureaus will receive less payment history than if you paid it out over several years. This last one is for individuals who have already bought and financed a vehicle from a manufacturer dealership. Most manufacturer dealerships have a loyalty system, meaning if you've already bought from them once, they'll likely give you better rates on a second vehicle. With this, it isn't unusual to get 0 to 1% APR after your second vehicle from them. Buying a car is a very involved process. There's a lot that goes into it, and it can be stressful. Do your due diligence and make 100% sure you check all the boxes before taking on something as big as a car loan. So hopefully, you can do it right. I hope these little tips and secrets we gave can make a whole world of difference. Hey, thanks for watching our video. If you're interested in seeing more, please check out our channel and subscribe.